Hi, class 48, second video. Okay, so we're going to look at our second part of our 11b. Okay, this part is like an interview, so you need to when people ask you a question, you always say, oh, how do you go to school? I take a bus. You always want to give more information. Okay. Like they asked her if you find the clothes, you pick up the clothes the night before you go to work. And then she gave it two different answers. She said, oh, if it's summertime, I'll do it in the morning. If it's the winter time, I'll do it the night before so I can sleep more. All right. So you try to do that too. Okay. Answer the question. You're supposed to ask your partner, but here you don't have a partner. You're gonna ask yourself. Would you like to work the same hours as a radio host? I think it's very, very difficult, especially in the winter. I don't think I would want to do that, would like to do that. But if the job is great and give you a lot of satisfaction, 如果你记得我们以前有个字叫 satisfy， 那这个字就是就是它的名字 satisfaction. Okay. In general, are you a morning or evening person? Okay, like some people like when the night comes and they get so excited. Maybe because they like the social life. They want to do something. They always get more excited like that. I think I'm a morning person. At night, I just want to do nothing, watch videos or something like that. Okay. We want to talk about phrasal verbs. 那这个东西在国中的课本里面，而且 over the time we study so much about 这些叫做动词片 phrasal verb， 它就是一个动词加一个介系词。我觉得是英文里面最难的，但是这些都是很基本的，还有更难的。Okay, so 我们有 vocabulary bank， 所以如果你随手有的话 ，you can go to 163。我没有去做这个 print out 的原因是因为I think most of them are pretty easy, so I didn't spend time to do that. 但是你可以看到163的下面 ，right here， 看一下。他就说有一种 type 1是 no object， 所以例如说你今天讲，你就写你的 type 1， 它就是 no object， 就是 get up， 你后面不能加任何东西。OK， now you have type 2， 他说你的 type 2呢，你要加一个 object， 例如说你要 turn off the TV. So the TV 就是你的 object 就是受词。然后它最后一个 type 3， 他说呢，你可以把这个the verb and the particle 就介系词 never separate。OK， 例如说。他说你看他说look for your keys， 他不是跟台湾的 look for 这个是后面都不加，这个是后面never， 他应该说 look for your keys， 但是 never separate， 但是这个呢？你的 type 2呢，可以变成 turn， 你可以把这个 TV 变成 it， 所以这个如果是受的，你就可以放这边。Type 1 no object， 讲出来2个字就知道了。Type 2, you put the object right here, or you turn it and make it like a shoulder, and then you put it in the middle. Personal pronoun, okay, like look for something, look for something， 不能分开 ，object 永远放这边。So 3 types. Okay, so number 1, try to find something. So you can. 那这边写个答案 ，Okay. Number 1 means find out. Number 2, what is your answer? To put on clothes in the store to see if they are the right size. So 你可以说我们穿衣服叫 put on， 但是这里是 try on. Okay. Number 3, you have a friendly relationship with someone. Get along with someone. Okay. Get along with someone. 在这边好像没有，但是我们的 phrasal verb 里面有一个，我觉得你要知道叫做 fill out， 它叫做填 fill out the form， 你可以去看一下。OK， 我觉得这是你唯一你可能比较不知道的。OK， you fill out the form， 你要去填写资料。OK，so right here， 刚才 teacher 讲的 ，if the object 受的 of a phrasal verb is a what, you can， 所以你到146，它会告诉你 146。Okay, you are trying to find it, and then me too. 146 is the blue lighted right here. 11b right here. Okay, so 他说如果你的这个字是什么？if an object for a phrasal verb 就是一个人称代名词的受格。So 我刚才有找到 ，what is it? The object is a pronoun. Okay, so let's put it right here. 他说 pronoun， 那 pro 就是人的意思，人称代名词。You can put it after the verb, between the verb and up. So, okay, and you can put it after, between the verb. Okay, now, 例如说 turn it up, turn it off. Okay, 它就是 pronoun. 例如说 turn, U-R-N, turn it off. 你也可以说 turn it up 啊，开大声一点。If the object of the phrasal verb is a what, you must put it between the verb. If the object of a phrasal verb is a what, you can put it after the verb or between the verb up. If the object of a phrasal verb is a what, you must put it between the verb and up. I don't understand. Okay. 它是一般的名词嘛 ，a noun， 然后第一个是什么 ？Turn off the alarm clock。OK， 那你现在他问你2个，他变成说 turn the alarm clock off， 所以一个是普通名词叫做 noun， 然后一个是什么 pronoun， 都可以放在中间。Turn the alarm clock off， turn it off 就是一样的意思。OK。All right, how much time we have? Let's look at it. Okay, we still have some time, so. 这个你要下载这个 video 那个 CD， 但是如果我明天有空的话，我把它上传上去 for pronunciation linking。linking 就是连接的意思，所以你要去 listen and try to write down the answers。我觉得你们太懒了，你们不会自己去下载。So the last one is speaking phrasal verbs questionnaire。questionnaire 就是问卷嘛， 对 okay, a questionnaire. So, have you ever gotten to turn your cell phone off at a concert or a movie? Forgotten? Yes, I have one time. So we're gonna read and talk about it. Okay, do you throw away old clothes or do you give them to other people? It depends. 我们刚才是不是学 It depends. I throw away if it's really old and then out of fashion, and I give it to my friend. But I always tell them if they don't like it, just donate, 捐出去 donate, donate, 或者是呢，它可以捐出去，或者是 donate, donate or just throw it away. I don't care. Do you enjoy trying on clothes when you go shopping? Question for Stella, maybe yes, right? I don't. I don't like to mess up my hair. I don't like to take clothes off. I'm very hot sometimes. Do you often go away on the weekend? Where to? I don't really anymore. I think talking about Stella, I think her mother still take playing a lot of trip. I think it's really good, but I think when people get older and busier, it's difficult to do it. All right. Before you go shopping, do you usually write down what you have to buy? Do you only buy what's on the list? No, no. I shop. I buy things when I want. Okay. I think probably have a lot of no, like Ken, like Thomas, maybe a little Angel. I don't know about Jessica. I don't know about Amy. I don't know about Stella. I'm not so sure. I don't know about Ava, but my answer is no. Do you enjoy looking after small children? Why or why not? I'm too old. Looking after 没问题吧 Looking after 就是照顾 right? So let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy looking after small children or your sister? 6 people, I probably get 6 no's. Am I right? So write the comments on my classroom. You can leave the comments there. Have you ever asked your neighbor to turn the TV or the music down? What happened? I think people were saying like we don't see each other very often now. So see the neighbors very often now, and especially COVID-19. Now it's going crazy. Probably we don't do that anymore. But so many people at home, they're making a lot of noise. My neighbors are making a lot of noise. The last one. What is the first thing you turn on after you wake up in the morning? My tablet, 我的平板. What about you? Okay. We finished today, almost finished. We have 1 minute. So you're going to finish. Last time you your homework, you need to write the worksheet, and it's on the classroom already. And then you have to do 1B, 1A, the second page. Tell me the reading. 下次我来对. Okay. So thank you guys. I see you next time. And you have a good one. Be safe. Bye bye.